Most CELPIP candidates don't fail because they lack vocabulary. They fail because they repeat the same structural mistakes. In this video, I'll show you the 15 most critical mistakes that keep candidates stuck at CLB 8 or 9 and how to avoid them. The difference between CLB 9 and CLB 11 is not intelligence, it is control. Control over structure, transitions, tone, and the reasoning. Let's break down the mistakes that destroy that control. First category is transitions. Most candidates use very basic connectors like also, and, or because. This creates a flat structure. High-level writing uses transitions to show logic progression and not just connection. If your paragraphs feel disconnected, it's usually because your transitions are weak. You need to guide the reader through your argument, not just list ideas. One of the biggest score killers is repetition. Many candidates repeat the same idea using slightly different words. Examiners see this immediately. Saying the same thing in 3 ways does not make your argument stronger. It shows a lack of development. Each sentence should add a new value, and also do not repeat the previous ones. Tone is often ignored, but it is critical. CELPIP expects a semi-formal, controlled tone. Too casual or too emotional writing reduces your score. Phrases like, I strongly hate this idea or this is totally wrong sound unprofessional. High scorers sound calm, logical, and balanced. Many candidates believe advanced vocabulary guarantees a high score. This is false. Incorrect or forced vocabulary actually lowers your score. Using simple language correctly is far more powerful than using complex words incorrectly. Examiners reward clarity, not decoration. The final category is resolution strategy. Most candidates end their essay weakly. This leaves a poor final impression. For example, I think this is good. This type of conclusion is too basic. A strong conclusion should reinforce your argument and show broader impact. High-scoring conclusions do 2 things. First, they restate the position clearly and they show a broader implication or a long-term impact. All 15 mistakes come from 5 core weaknesses: transitions, repetition, tone, vocabulary, resolution. Fix these and your score will immediately improve. In the next video, I'll show you how to take a weak CLB 8 response and transform it into a CLB 11 answer step by step. That's where you'll see exactly how to apply everything we discussed till today.